This is a tutorial using Pencil. Pencil is an animation or drawing software application. It lets you create traditional hand-drawn animations or cartoons. It is free and open source and can be downloaded for Windows or for Mac. So to animate in Pencil, you need to think of working like in a flip book. The graphics area in the middle of the screen in white is like a page in the flip book. The tools on the left are used to draw on the page. The timeline at the bottom of the page is used to add more pages in the flip book and to control the animated sequence. You have a color palette over on the right if you want to change colors. In this tutorial, we're going to create an animated stick man. We will start by drawing a stick man on the first page of the flip book. Before we draw, you need to make sure you are on the bitmap layer. As you can see, there are 3 different layers at the bottom: bitmap, vector, and camera. You need to make sure that we have bitmap selected. So let's select the pencil tool. We need to make sure that the pixels are set between 10 and 11, but that's your choice. You can make it however wide or thin that you'd like. And let's draw a stick man in the top part of the graphics area. I'm going to draw with his arms up. We now need to add another page in the flip book. In computer animation, these are called keyframes. So click on the add key icon in the timeline, just down here. Now you can see we have another page. We have a blank page here. Let's go up and choose View, Onion Skin, Previous. When this is turned on, you will see the previous keyframe like you have a piece of tracing paper over it. When this is not active, you will not see the previous keyframe. Make sure it's turned on, and that way you can make sure all of your drawings are similar. So let's go ahead and draw on our second page. And I'm just going to repeat what I drew the first time. So this time I'm going to go with his arm down. I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to repeat the process. This time I'm going to draw with his hand up, and repeat the process again. Not winning any awards for my drawings. Arm down in this one. And let's do 2 more. Arm up. And then 1 more. Arm down. Alright, let's go up and turn off the onion skin. Now we just see our original drawing. Let's look at the frames per second. You can adjust this however fast or slow that you would like. And let's click the play icon. And our stick man is moving. And I'm going to slow it down just a little bit, so it looks like he's dancing. And you've just created your first animation.